Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share to you how to create a fishing ground area using machine learning methods. Actually, I use 4 variables to create the bed and the good area from the map. So, in the particular area. So, I use machine learning method using random forest algorithm. So, this is my variable to classify the fishing ground. So, Chlorophyll-a, NF, H, POC, and also SST. From this four variable, I actually can create a bad and good area for fishing ground. So the first thing that you have to do is install this all package. After all of this package have already done, next you have to connect your Google Cloud data into your Google Colab code editor. So make sure you already have a Google Cloud project for connecting to your Google Colab editor. Next, you have to initialize your map or your interface, and then after you create your interface, you can basically create your region of interest. So, in this video, I would like to define my interest in Malacca Strait in Medan waters. So, this is Indonesia water, and then you have to define your ROI. Next, you have to define your start date and end date. After that, you collect all of this variable into your Google Code Editor. The first is SST, next is Chlorophyll-a, and next is POC and FLH. So after you collect 4 variable, don't forget to put min in here and click to your ROI. After that, you have to omit the none value from this data. Actually, all of this data have a nonce data, so you make sure you have omitted the none data from this data, and then create your good marks and bad marks. So don't forget to create your good marks and bad marks for the next step to use a machine learning method. So next, run this code. After you run this code, you have to put your sample data, and based on the machine learning method, you have to create your sample data from each good marks and bad marks, and then run this code. After that, don't forget to create your training and testing data for your model. So basically, machine learning method need training and testing for the model, and we need test the accuracy and the error matrix for the model. In this video specifically, I use a random forest algorithm, so I need to test the model random forest algorithm for my variable. And then for the training, I use 70% from all data, and for the testing, I use 30% for of all my data. Run this code. After that, we need to count all of the data. Sorry. Okay, we print the total sample count, training sample count, and testing sample count. So the code can visualize the total count and the training count and testing count. As you can see, this is for the training sample is 70% of the total sample count, and the testing is 30% of the total sample count. After that, we run the machine learning random forest algorithm to classify or to grouping the bad area and the good area for the fishing ground. So don't forget to input all variable from the ocean color aqua MODIS data into your Google Colab editor. And then, as I said before, we need to validation and we need to test accuracy of this all data. Okay, sorry. We need some problem here. Okay, we just tried a little bit to see the validation and test accuracy score. Okay, we get validation errors matrix 27 and 4 and 103 for the validation. We got 0.97 for the overall accuracy. So this is a good value, good validation and good accuracy for my model, for our model. And next, we have to uh, classify into my all data training image. So in this classify, we classify the training data, and for this code with testing for the testing data. So this is the accuracy of the testing data, and for this code we need to try the all of the data training image, and to get the final result. So okay, just calculate this. Okay, we got the image, and next we need to visualize the result. So we define the fish params as our palette, and I want to see in the interface, I want to see the classification in my interface. So sorry, so this is the good data, or the fishing ground area, of our the result of the machine learning method in our forest algorithm. Sorry, this takes a long. This takes a minute to visualize the data. Still loading in here. Okay, just wait until the process has done. Okay, takes a minute to visualize that. I think we continue the training. Okay, after that we need to uh, we need to uh, convert the data from the image data into the XRA format. Okay, we got the X-ray data. Next, we import the package to visualize the data, the fishing ground area. Run this code. Sorry, need to install this. Okay, successful. Run this code. Okay, after that, we need to focus on the classification and define our figure with a CCRS projection, and don't forget to put the GL for the grid lines for the projection. Next, I think this takes a minute to analyze. Okay, you can see this is the fishing ground area for our analysis. So the final result that we want to get this map. So this is a good area for fishing. So we can actually focus on this area to get a potential capture of fish. So okay, this is the final results of this tutorial. So you can try this code in your area. So this is a powerful tool to create a fishing ground area. So we can implement the machine learning method to the all subject. We also can implement the machine learning method to all the subject. So this is machine learning method is a powerful tool to make an analysis of the spatial analysis. Thank you.